What's up, everybody? It's a Funnel Doc, and today I wanted to go over the new affiliate bootcamp that's just been released by ClickFunnels. This is their new training on how they're indoctrinating people into ClickFunnels and giving ideas and tips and tricks on how to actually become a ClickFunnels super affiliate or retire in 100 days, as they put it. So to access this, you're going to want to log into your ClickFunnels affiliate account, and right in the middle of the page there, as you scroll down, you're going to see Affiliate Bootcamp New 2019. And this is where you're going to get your affiliate links for here. There is an affiliate link down below, so if you'd like to join the affiliate bootcamp program, please click on my link down below, and you'll see this is where you'll actually get your link, and you'll select from right here. You'd use the affiliate link or affiliate bootcamp. I'm not sure. One's probably just the sign up. Let's see what the affiliate bootcamp looks like. I know what the other one is. Let me check out this one. No, that's the same thing. Interesting. I think they're the same thing. Yeah, same thing. Interesting. So as you can see, when you open that, it does go to the affiliate page. We'll get in a second. First of all, I wanted to go through everything. First of all, the great thing about the One Funnel Away Challenge, which is part of this, and we're going to jump into every page of the new affiliate funnel, as well as jump into the membership area. So I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to get when you join this affiliate challenge, as they put it. So first of all, you'll see there is the One Funnel Away Challenge is the first sale, and I'll get in that in a second, but they do have all the great promotional stuff here. You have your different tools that you can use for Facebook, for Instagram. You also have down here banner ads, swipe copy. ClickFunnels really does a good job of just giving you a really good basis to be able to promote this on. So here's all the different stuff they give you. And like I said, once you go to your affiliate link, this is the page it's going to take you to, which is funny because this video that they have here, Russell, I'm wondering if this is because so many times now they're using Wistia, which Wistia, as you see, will play no matter what browser you're on, like YouTube and certain other players. If it's in Chrome, won't play automatically. So they use Wistia, and I'm wondering if he went with no words as a way for people to see it and engage with it on Wistia, since they knew they'd be playing it but without sound. So it's interesting because the entire 7-minute long video, I watched the whole thing, is all no words. It's just music. It's watch here. I'll show you real quick. But this is all it is. It's 7 minutes of that. Do you know? It's interesting. I'm wondering to see what the actual numbers are going to be. So it's a pretty good page here. It's Russell does this a lot from the days, the desk of Russell Brunson. This is old sales funnel type copy from back in the day, highlighting the different points, talking about everyone that's come in through the affiliate bootcamp, what you're going to get, what would you do, et cetera, et cetera. Go ahead and read through this if you want. Here's an example of the affiliate bootcamp mock-up here that they're doing, product mock-up. And they're telling you that you're going to be taught by this dream team. What they've done basically is for the affiliate bootcamp, it's 100 days, or in 100 days, they go through each of these people. What would they do? Sort of like the, what would you do if you lost everything in 30 days? They're doing the same thing. What would you do if you needed to become a super affiliate in 100 days? And they go through, and that's why it's a 100-day challenge, or the retire in 100 days. And they ask all these people, there's, I think, 18 of them or something like that, 3, 6, 9, 12. So 15 people total. You get, and what they do is they have videos from each one of these explain to them what they do and how they affiliate market. I've watched a couple of them. They're pretty good so far. So more it goes into, and that's basically what you get for free. So the way that they're doing it to make you want to upsell for the One Funnel Away Challenge, 2 things. First of all, you get the One Funnel Away Challenge, which is a great beginner course. Someone that wants to learn about funnels, about marketing, about making an offer and things like that. Great thing. And then the second part, what they're going to do is they tell you that these videos, I believe it's only available for 24 hours once you get it. So they're going to be sending them out to you, and then it's like, I think it's like 4 videos at a time. They're trying to overload you so you won't watch them. So you'll, of course, want to sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge, which if you haven't completed, I recommend doing. But that's their ploy here. It's interesting because the bootcamp used to be just a library of videos teaching you all the ins and outs of the affiliate marketing. So they're also supposed to, in here, going to have, besides all this, I think they're also each day they're going to be sending you videos, and Russell talks about it on the next page. So maybe we'll jump to the next page. So what you do here is once you go to you sign up, you pull up the pop-up here, and you'll see that it become a ClickFunnels super affiliate in 100 days, 15 top experts. It's funny to subscribe to Messenger, but the Messenger button isn't here, so I don't know if they're auto-subscribing you. When I put my email in earlier, it never sent me the Messenger or anything, so I think they just maybe forgot that part. So, but once you opt in, put your name in here, you'll go to this page where it tells you, where they try and upsell you to, or no, they don't. Let me put my info at thefunnel.com. There we go. So, and when you go through this, the next page is the actual sales page for the One Funnel Away Challenge, where it explains to you how they're going to have each. So they'll get the first day here, and then day 1, you're going to get these 3 people, 4 people, 4 people, 4 people. So in 4 days, they're going to send you all this. So the one-time offer you're going to get no matter what, you get this, you're going to get this, the One Funnel Away Challenge is what, you're going to get the videos no matter what. But what they're trying to sell you is on the One Funnel Away Challenge, and you get a digital copy of the 15 speakers, and you get the book that's over 186 pages long. So when you come now, you're going to get all the affiliate bootcamp stuff, and I believe he talks about in this one, well, you have to watch it. He talks about the One Funnel Away Challenge, but they're going to also be sending you videos on the do's and don'ts of affiliate marketing, things like that. So yeah, it talks about the One Funnel Away Challenge here. What you're going to get here's the coaches. It's really the only thing, I don't even know if Steven's doing it live anymore. They used to, but a lot of this is pre-recorded. They will have one coach. It used to be Steven. I'm not sure if he's doing it, like I said, anymore, but that does live. That actually goes through. If you don't know about the One Funnel Away Challenge, be sure to watch my unboxing video. I actually break down this kit right here. I like that. I like that background right there. That's cool. The rising sun, like that. So then this goes over everything you're going to get in the One Funnel Away Challenge. You get the workbook, you get the MP3, you get the What Would You Do If You Lost Everything in 30 Days book. And then, like I said, you get the MP3. Let's see what else. Here's the bonuses. It talks about the affiliate book. You're going to get limited access. See, you get unlimited access to the interview series. And I'm going to go through those in just a second. I'm going to actually show you what you get when you sign up everything. So you go through here, blah, blah, blah. And then when you're ready to join the challenge, it takes you down. You go through here, sign up. I was dumb. This Product Secrets order bump, by the way, is I used to be a member of 2CCX and the ClickFunnels coaching group. And they did a live training for Product Secrets there, and I was silly, and I bought this order bump. It's not a bad training, but I'd already seen it, so it was sort of annoying. The total price for this, if you get everything including the order bump, is $156.95. And you charge $20 for shipping and handling, and then the One Funnel Away is $100, and then $37 for Product Secrets. So when you get that, you're going to roll through to this upsell where they're trying to sell you traffic secrets. If you're interested in learning more about traffic, they have everything. Let me show you. I actually have traffic secrets, so I didn't get this upsell because I have it. And let me show you everything is inside. I mean, it's crazy how much information, copywriting secrets, keyword science, email marketing tactics, borrowing traffic, shopping engines in Amazon, traffic formulas. And look at each one of these have like 6 or 7, and these are all videos, buying media and sponsors. Look, let's go buying media overview, boom, video. Google AdWords. Let's grab one. Boom. Video. Look at all these videos. If you want to learn about Google AdWords, there you go, brother. Podcast and broadcast and sisters. Apple mobile app marketing. Look, software widgets. And look at, like I said, Facebook ads. Look at this. Boom. Facebook ads. You want to learn about Facebook ads? Here's some things for you. So if you want to learn about traffic, I highly recommend you getting the one funnel away and then get the upsell. This is a lot of content. I mean, look at, I have people ask me all the time about YouTube. Here's a section on YouTube, expansion, scalability, and then the master plan. So as you can see, this is a great upsell that they put in here. That is one payment of only $297. I mean, that's really cheap for when you look at I mean, this has got to be probably several hundreds of hours worth of content. It will take you forever to go through all this for only $297. So once you go to the next page, $297, once you get the traffic secrets or do not get the traffic, I would recommend, if you're interested in learning more about traffic, to get it. It's a great course, a lot of information, good price. Once you get that, it rolls to this page where you accept, is it glad you accept your mission? The One Funnel Away Challenge will be starting soon, which, let me see here. When is the One Funnel Away Challenge starting? OneFunnelAway.com. 1 second, I should already have this up. So it looks like the next One Funnel Away Challenge is going to be in 18 days on June 16th. So as of this recording, you'll know it's in 18 days on June 16th is the next one. So when you actually go ahead and go in, you're going to come in here and then you'll see here's to the members area. Now here's the affiliate bootcamp membership area. When you log in, you're going to see Stevens first. They have an interview. The one thing I don't like about these is they made it so you can't control the video. So once you start playing it, you can stop, but you can't rewind, you can't fast forward, anything like that. And then they have a behind the scenes where they actually talk about the actual funnel. So they go in here, they ask them all their strategy about what they would do as affiliate marketing and how in just 100 days to become a super affiliate. They lay it all out. And then they actually talk about the actual funnel and the funnel process they use in the behind the scenes, which I've seen a couple of these and they're pretty good. So then you see that everybody here, Rachel, Jim, Greg Jeffries, Jacob, Dana, Joe, Spencer, Marley, then we got JR, Josh, Tyler, Billie Jean. Billie Jean, I'm going to be interested to watch this one in paying June especially. And then you got the affiliate ebook where you can download the ebook right here as well. Now the next section you're going to get also access if you sign up for it. This will be locked if you don't sign up for the One Funnel Away. This is where you'll be getting access inside the members area once the One Funnel Away challenge. So if you'll see right here, if this is your first time, you'll log in here. I have a login already, so we'll go ahead and show you what the inside of that looks like. So the inside of that guy, first before we get into the One Funnel Away, let's look to product secrets. You'll see here, this is what I was really upset. It's just like a 2.5 hour video, and then they have like some a little PDF download. So interesting. I don't know. If I probably wouldn't get it. I would get the traffic secrets. So this is the One Funnel Away Challenge. You get a lot in here. First of all, here's your intro. Here's all the different weeks. I'm an alumni. I don't know if this is going to be in everybody's because I was one of the original ones, but they have all the different weeks laid out here, pre-done. This is what they show you. Then here's all your 30-day interview. In the 30-day challenge book, they interview each of the people and they lay out their plan. These are really good. And then they do a behind the scenes where they do like a special one-on-one type interview. And this is where they actually lay their plans out. And then, let's see here, close this guy. And then you have the alum. So this is cool. Once you've completed your One Funnel Away Challenge, you can actually send in here. You get a t-shirt. Once you've earned $1,000 through the One Funnel that they teach you how to use in the One Funnel Away Challenge, you can come and get a certificate. And then they have funnel audibles. Let's see what this is. So this is a funnel audible presentation from the 2CCX training, and Then they've got, you can download this transcripts and you can download the Audible notebook. So that is everything that's inside the One Funnel Away challenge, or I'm sorry, the new membership area for the ClickFunnels affiliate marketing 100 days to retirement. I got all these different membership sites here open and looking at, but the affiliate bootcamp. So if you go in my group, you're going to see over the next couple days, I'm going to be going over each email that's released. I'm going to be going over each different day and talking about each different video. So please be sure to check it down below in the comments. You'll see there is an actual link that leads to my Facebook group. I hope you join that. I can't wait to see you inside so you can actually follow along over the next couple days. As the material comes out, I'm going to be releasing videos educating you, but those are only going to be available in my group. So please do me a favor, click the notification bell and hit that subscribe button, because I can't wait to release more content for you. I'm doing a lot of affiliate marketing stuff, especially ClickFunnels. So if you'd like to see how I go from I think I've got 13 actual people on my account right now to 100, I'm going to get the dream car and I'm going to try and do it in the next 100 days. So if you'd like to see my journey, be sure to go to my Facebook group. The link's down below. Funnel Doc out.